No equipment, no excuses. Let's go. Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm so glad that you are here. This is such a great 5-minute workout that I know you're gonna love because there's really no excuse. We use absolutely no equipment, and I also give you low impact modifications for each exercise. So like we say inside my fitness membership and community, Total Body Transformation, we always say there's always something you can do, and this workout is a perfect example of that. You don't need anything, you can do it low impact, and you really only need, for this little snippet, 5 minutes. And we've all got 5 minutes, right? So grab your sneakers, grab a little water, and I will see you on the other side. So let's get into our workout here, 30 seconds. I want you to go into jumping jacks here. Now, low impact modification is just stepping out like this, okay? Breathing, one or the other is absolutely fine with me. You gotta do what works best for you today, okay? Good. We're gonna just do a couple minutes of cardio here, so I really want you to give it your all, okay? Keep going here, breathing. That's it, your abs are nice and tight, really soft on those feet, moving right into butt kickers. Kick those heels into your butt. Good. We're doing this 30 seconds and we're doing this sequence twice, so you get like a little dress rehearsal. And then you get to try it again. Good, keep going, breathe. Whew. Good, nice and soft and easy. If you want to make this low impact, just take out the hop, okay? Breathe here, there's always something you can do. Whew. Smiles all around, feeling the love. Okay, we're gonna go into speed skaters here. So side to side, if you wanna keep it low impact, see how I took the hop out, or add that little hop, okay? Good. This lateral motion, it's really important, right? Because in life, we don't just move forward and back, we move side to side, we rotate. So when we're working, we wanna always be working really functionally in the ways that we move in real life, right? Whew. Breathe, I'm starting to feel that heart rate climb up there. Okay, good. Jump rope, let's do 2 and 2. Now, low impact, just kind of a bounce, okay? Let me tell you something. I did low impact strictly for 1.5 years. So I know firsthand that low impact is not easy, okay? Whew. Keep on breathing here. Yes, yes, we got it. Good. That's it, that's it. Good. That might have been more than 2. Okay, let's go fast feet. In and out, out. And in, and out, out. Come on, good. You got it. In, and out, out. Don't mark this. Give me what you got. And out, out. 30 seconds. Shake what your mama gave you. And out. That's it. In and out. Good, breathe. And out. Last one, then we're gonna do a whole sequence again. And out, good, and good. All right, jumping jacks, remember, low impact. Okay, step out jacks like this, or hop it. Breathing. Whew. That's it. Nice and quiet landing here, no crashing. Good. Whew. Breathing here. This is like a real blast of cardio, right? Good. We got it. Come on, stay with it. Good, okay. Butt kickers. Good, remember, low impact. Just standing, kind of marching. Good. Control your breathing. We've got this, okay? I know it feels like, oh, mamma mia, already? But that's it. We're halfway there in the cardio bit. Then we go into other fun things, right? Good, okay, speed skaters. Low impact, stepping out, okay? Getting that big wide step or hop it, okay? Both are absolutely fabulous. Whichever one you decide is feeling the best for you today is what I support for you. Good, breathe. Good, really get some ground here, cover some ground. Nice wide movement. Good. Whew. Awesome, 1 more minute to go. Jump rope. If you wanted to not do doubles, you could do singles too, it's fine. I just like to always mix it up. Good breathing. This time of day I find, for me, I don't know why, cardio is always harder later in the day for me. I think in the morning I'm just too sleepy. Good, breathe. Come on, we got it. Okay, ready? Fast feet, finish off, in, and out, out. Don't phone this in, really give it to me. Good, shake your booty. Good, that's it, and in, and out. Yes, yes, good. Feel all the parts jiggling, jangling. That's a good thing. Let them jiggle here, right? They won't be jiggling later. And out, out. That's it. Whew. And out, out. Last one. And high five. Wasn't that so fun? And I love workouts like this because sometimes even just getting a pair of weights or getting a piece of equipment can just feel like another thing you've got to do, right? And I don't ever want you to feel like you can't get your workout done. So if you like a workout like this, that's no equipment, no excuses, and you want to make getting fit and feeling fabulous easy, you'll definitely want to check out Total Body Transformation. I've got it linked down below in my bio, but I also got a special invitation for you. You know, I'm now turning 48, and I know that things really change for us when we're over 40. So if you are over 40, I really want to invite you to my brand new masterclass, Fit and Fab Over 40. It's gonna bust through some of the biggest myths that we've been told about what it really takes to look good when you're over 40, and I'm gonna make sure that you don't make any of those mistakes and really give you the exact formula of what you need. So I will leave that linked up here in the cards here and also in the description box down below. I'd love to see you there. I will see you there next. You are awesome, you are amazing, and I'll see you next time.